Look at this app. It's got a beautiful UI, smooth navigation, dynamic search, a functional profile section, and even a dark mode toggle. It looks like it took weeks for a professional Android developer to code. But what if I told you I built this entire TMDB movie app with zero manual coding? Welcome back to Tech with Suraj. Today, we are pushing the boundaries of AI. I'm going to show you how to use Gemini, Antigravity, and the open code Big Pickle model to literally generate a fully functioning, high-quality Android app in minutes. If you've ever wanted to build your dream app but felt intimidated by the code, this video is going to blow your mind. Let's get into it. First things first, we need a canvas. I'm opening up Android Studio and creating a brand new project. We're selecting Empty Activity because we want our AI to build the modern UI from scratch. I'll name this TMDB Movie App and hit Finish. Now, we just let Android Studio do its initial setup. It's creating the base project, pulling in the default libraries, and running that initial Gradle build. Done. Our foundation is ready. Now, let's bring in the brains of the operation. I'm jumping over to my browser and opening Gemini. I already asked Gemini for a step-by-step master plan to build a TMDB app, and it gave me this beautiful 4-phase architecture. I'm grabbing phase 1 right here, copying that. Next, I open up my base project inside the Antigravity IDE and launch the Open Code Assistant. We are powering this with the Big Pickle model today. I paste the Phase 1 instructions right into the chat box, but I add one crucial detail. I already created the base Android project. Hit enter. Now just watch. The AI is analyzing the prompt, thinking about the architecture, and it's off. It's literally writing the core networking and data models while I sit back. Phase 1 is wrapped. Let's keep the momentum going. I'm bouncing back to Gemini, copying Phase 2, the UI and view model logic, and dropping it into Open Code. Hit enter. Let's fast forward through this. Boom, done. Same thing for Phase 3. Copy. Paste, enter, fast forward. And finally, Phase 4. Guys, look at this workflow. Coding today has become so incredibly fast and streamlined. You just need to understand the basic concepts, know how to prompt the AI, and you can build the apps you've been dreaming of without getting bogged down in syntax. All right, the AI hit a tiny roadblock, but it's a smart one. It knows we need a TMDB API key to actually fetch the movie data, and it even gave me the direct link to get it. How easy is that? Let's click over to the TMDB website. Now, if you are new here, you'll need to sign up, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Once you're in your profile, scroll down, hit API Documentation, click the API link, and right here is the golden ticket. I'm just copying this key, heading back to my IDE, and I'll tell the AI, here is my API key. Enter. The AI takes over, securely injects the key into our networking layer, and finishes up the code. Everything is integrated. Moment of truth. I'm back in Android Studio. Clicking Run. It's building. Checking dependencies. The project is launching on the phone and... Oops, we have a crash. But don't panic. This is a normal part of development. And with AI, debugging is a breeze. I just open up Logcat, find this red block of error text, copy the whole thing, and throw it straight back into our AI assistant. I don't even have to explain it. The AI analyzes the stack trace, finds the exact bug, and patches it immediately. Over in Android Studio, I click Sync Now to apply the changes. Let's try that again. Hit Run. The build is super quick this time. The app launches. Check out that smooth splash screen. And here we go. Look at this home screen. We've got a clean search bar at the top, a nice loading animation, and a highly professional bottom navigation bar. We have our home feed, a favorite section, and look at this profile UI. As someone who appreciates good design, I am blown away by how clean this looks. You can rename the profile, change the icon, see the email, and join date. Under Settings, we have a fully functional dark mode toggle. Look how slick that transition is, and a notification switch. Let's test the optimization. I'll search for a movie, typing DH, and look at how incredibly fast those results pop up. This app is highly optimized and beautifully structured. From an empty project to a fully functional, beautifully designed TMDB movie app with a dark mode, custom profile, and live search, all done by leveraging the power of AI and the Big Pickle model. The barrier to entry for app development has never been lower. You just need the vision. If you enjoyed this build and want to see more insane no-code AI projects, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Tech with Suraj, and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments what app we should build next. Until next time, keep creating.